Every day, life hands us a blank page. But instead of writing our own success, too often we waste it by filling the page with jealousy, anger, and negativity. And in the end, we realize the page is gone, and so is our chance. Once, there was a simple village woman, kind at heart but a little jealous by nature. One afternoon, while she was working in her courtyard, an old stranger came to her house. He looked thirsty and tired. The woman quickly brought him some water without asking anything. After drinking, the old man smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" The woman shook her head. "I am the angel of death. Today I came to take your life." The woman froze in shock, her body trembling. But then he continued, "Your kindness has touched me. So I will give you one chance. Take this book of destiny. Inside, you'll find a page with your name. Whatever you write there will come true." Her hands shook with excitement. A chance to change her destiny, something no human ever gets. She opened the book. On the first page, it was written, "Your friend will soon receive a treasure." Jealousy filled her heart. She quickly crossed it out and wrote, "She should not get the treasure." She turned to the next page. It said, "Your neighbor's husband will become an advisor to the king." Again, envy rose in her. She wrote, "He should not become a minister." Page after page, she kept erasing others' good fortune and replacing it with misfortune. Finally, she found the page with her own name. She thought, "What should I write? Wealth, long life, happiness." But just as she lifted the pen, the angel of death suddenly snatched the book away. His deep voice thundered, "Time is over. You wasted your chance writing harm to others. You never wrote a single good thing for yourself. This is the greatest mistake of mankind." The woman cried out in regret, but it was too late. The angel of death took her soul away. Life gives us a blank page every single day. If we fill it with negativity and jealousy, we lose the chance to write something good for ourselves. If you cannot do good for others, at least do not wish them harm. True humanity means focusing on our own growth, not on destroying someone else's. If this story touched your heart, pause and think, are we also wasting our time wishing harm for others instead of building our own life? If you like this story, write blank page in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HA Motivational.